Tosulagam, I hope that you can come, we can come Cailleach At together here at the Irish Cultural Centre to celebrate on fuiniud gréine, which is the setting of the sun. And it is the shortest day of the year, the longest night. So Christmas can be a time of great joy and sparkle for us, but it also can be a time of grief and loss and weakness, of loneliness. So if you feel that you would like to tune into something a little bit different than what's going on out in the streets, tune into a bit more suagness, a bit more kind of gentle calmness, this workshop is for you. Lean into our inner feminine authority at a time of the year at Christmas when it can be very, very busy and there's a lot of rushing around and a lot of buying and a lot of stress. And this is a chance for you to take some time, take 90 minutes and sit and listen to some nice scialta, some nice stories, and tune in to what's in your own heart, in your own craí. We will be celebrating with the Cailleach, which is an amazing Irish goddess who is the goddess of the winter. And she's not just a hag with old stories. She also is allowing us to understand ourselves better and to lean into agelessness and to regenerate in these winter months. So I really hope you can join me. There'll be a connection made to Bóinne, Newgrange in County Meath, which is actually, one could say, the birthplace of the solstice in relation to Irish mythology anyway, because that is the place where on the shortest day of the year, on the 21st, the sun comes right into Newgrange tomb and hits the back. So our ancient ancestors were celebrating this. And of course, Bóinne, Newgrange is actually older than the pyramids. So Irish civilization and Irish mythology goes way, way back. So on Cailleach is a Gaeilge word, an Irish word, and it actually translates as the veiled one. And so in this 90-minute workshop, I will be taking us on a journey of transformation and self-discovery, and we'll be taking back the masks that we have put in place and our concerns about our appearance, and we'll be going deeper at this time of winter, of renewal, and a time to go a little bit deeper into ourselves. She's also known, the Cailleach, as a Ban Fasta, which is a wise woman. And so we don't have to wait until the later part of our years, our crone years, to find the wise, that if we're able to sit and close our eyes in stillness and be as still as a stone, like the Cailleach, we can find wiseness in our own hearts and our own craí at this time of year. So I really hope that you can come and join me here at the Irish Cultural Centre in Hammersmith on the 21st of December to celebrate Winter Solstice with on Cailleach. Grow more.